Password plus.
Okay. Well, let's play.
Alright.
Let's play Password!
Alright.
Right.
It's staring at me.
Alright, you turn around.
Who's the first
Turn
person?
around. Turn
Will,
around,
turn
Will. We don't really have a plan for this.
Okay. Alright, turn back around. Okay then. Shack.
How many guesses do I get?
As many as you want.
As many as you need. But we give you a time limit.
Alright, it's starting now.
Alright.
You have 1 minute.
Place.
Shanty.
That has nothing to do with it.
British?
Bungalow.
Retarded person?
Mansion.
Home!
Ding, ding, ding.
That was close enough.
That wasn't
Close
it.
enough, people. Close enough. Alright, I'll turn.
What was it?
House. Alright, turn around, Will. Turn around.
No, it's me.
Oh, wait, Will's turn? Oh, okay. Turn back around. I just came up with
You
it.
spelled it wrong!
Alright. Can I turn back around?
Yeah, you
I
can.
did.
Bum-bum. Alright, wait for the time. Alright. Just go.
Laboratory.
Lab.
It's the same word!
Sorted.
Wait, how does labor... Do you have the right word?
Just shut up!
I don't think he has the right word.
Spell? Which one do you mean?
Oh my god.
I can't even read your writing!
Oh, yes. Alright, let's go. So it's not lab then.
No. Folsom?
Which? That
River?
Folsom.
Water?
Sacramento.
I said Folsom!
California?
Oh, no.
Why does that always happen?
I don't know.
Oh, time's up. It
What
was...
was it?
It was lake! Retard! Lake!
Why'd you say river? That's like...
A lake leads to a
It's
river!
nothing. Other way around, dumbass. A river leads to a lake.
You think the river goes down
Alright, 10
into
seconds.
a lake?
Yes, it does. That's how you get a lake.
5 seconds. Will,
Alright,
turn
wait,
around.
it's my turn. Will,
Will, turn around.
Will, other way.
Go.
Okay. Ready? Are you ready? Here we go. Breath.
Mouth?
Fresh.
Air?
Oh my god! Yes, we win $100 million! Alright, I'll turn now.
Alright,
I can see it in the reflection of the car.
You can?
No, I didn't see that.
Alright.
Ready? Can I turn around?
No.
No!
Okay. You have 10 seconds.
I'm gonna put on my hood.
Good.
Can I turn around?
Alright, 5 seconds.
Okay.
Cell.
Yoler.
House.
Phone.
No, it is not right.
It's not right, but
Booty.
television.
Modular. What?
House. Home. Cell.
Phone!
Television.
You can't do that.
Oh!
He still doesn't know it.
Radio?
Oh my god!
15
Wait, I know!
seconds. 15 seconds.
Wait! Wait, don't say anything, I'm thinking how much time?
10 seconds. 5 seconds.
Wait! Calm down!
3, 2.
Telephone!
Yeah.
Alright!
Did you really not get that? It's my turn to turn.
No! Alright.
Wait,
So
did you
right
see?
now-
Colton, did you see this one?
No.
Okay. Okay. Starting now.
What was up with that?
Human. Damn it! Give me the next one! Turn! Give me the next one! Give me the next one! Turn! Give me the next one! Give me the next one!
Why did you say?
Give me the next one! Okay.
Starting now.
If you say the word one more time, I'm gonna bitch slap you.
E.
Letter?
That was scary. I shouldn't have done that.
Missed.
Me!
Miss me? Alright, fetus.
Zygote.
Is that right? Zygote? No! Wait, what is it again? Oh, wait, I remember. Okay, oh,
Oh, disqualified.
Boom!
oh, that's wrong. Oh, we're not allowed to say part of the word. It was fog. How did you not get that from fetus? Or E. Foggy. You don't get that? Come on. All right. Okay.
Oh
It's
my
Will's
God.
turn now. It's Will's turn.
Say a word.
I thought you had one more, Ross.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Starting now.
Secret.
You. I can't put that many in my mouth, Ross.
Don't throw them at me.
All right, you have.
Give another clue.
Okay,
Oh.
15.
Key.
um,
Place.
6.